Well guys, we're getting started. We're getting the footers dug this morning. We'll pour next week, and then the walls come shortly after. The footers for the guest house are getting ready to go in. So what you're seeing here is a 12 by 24. The columns are going to be out here. So when you see these forms left and right, this is what you're looking at here is going to be a retaining wall that connects to the main house. But when you see this right here, this is the width of a footer. It's a 24-foot wide footer. It's 12 inches deep, and the wall will sit up on top of that. Hey Jana, what do you think?
It's good.
You like it?
Yes.
So this is our, right here is going to be our retaining wall footer that leads over to the guest house, and I'll spin around, and that retaining wall ties into the side right here of the main house. You can see the footprint of that. They're out here right now. They're digging columns on the main house, and they're digging columns on the guest house. So it's actually the footers for the columns, but they're coming along. It's gonna look good. Well, today is foundation day. So we waited a long time for this. I'm a little nervous. We had a little bit of rain. I'm getting ready to go check the foundations. You know, too much rain and these concrete trucks can't get back there. So hopefully this is dried out enough to where we can get back there and everything will be fine. Let's go take a look at the foundation and see what we're dealing with. Okay, so we checked out the foundation. A little bit of water in some areas, especially right here in that corner. But for the most part, we did have one place where the soil kind of broke through, and we're gonna have to dig that out underneath the rebar. So, I mean, I feel good about it, but we'll have to see what the foundation guys think. If they're not happy with it, then we won't pour today. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go dig a little trough and let the water out. And we've got some time before the concrete trucks get here, so we'll give it some time to dry out. that we've drained that corner, that's going to help. It's just a waiting game to see if everybody approves to go ahead and pour concrete for the foundation. In the meantime, the creek is running really strong since we've had some rain today, so it's kind of neat. I'm going to go down and take a look at it. The water looks real murky today after the rain. Well, the pump truck is here, and I'm anxious to see how they get this thing set up. I see you. Yeah, I see you. We're working late.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Well, you guys can barely see me because it's dark out. But we've got a pump truck stuck and we're out in the woods and we got a giant tow truck coming. Well, it's about 8 o'clock at night and we have got this sucker stuck like you wouldn't believe. Thank goodness we got a tow truck in the middle of the woods out here, and we are making progress as getting it unstuck. Fingers crossed everything turns out okay. Well, we got him out, and that was not fun at all. I know I'm laughing a little bit, but only because I can't believe this has happened. It is about 10:30 at night, and I gotta say, I'm freezing, and I cannot wait to go to bed tonight. We got him out. I'm very thankful. A lot of stress. Tomorrow's another day.